Here today on the Rusty Glovebox, we had a little hailstorm and didn't really hurt anything, but it was a good size batch of hail. I was afraid it was going to kind of damage the garden a little bit, but everything went pretty well. And so let's take a look at it and see how it's doing. Well, this is called Mexican heather. That's going to go in the front. And this is a little lime tree. I've never grown any kind of little citrus tree before. It gets too cold here in the winter, but it'll do okay in the summer, and I'll just push it either to the shop or the garage, and we'll see how it does. But let's go ahead and walk around and check out the garden. Well, an interesting night of weather, and looks like everything pretty much survived the storm. Let's see how the little garden's doing. And everything's doing better. Got a bloom. Got a bloom growing there on the tomato plant, and I see another one on that one too. My little watermelon plant's kind of had a tough time. It's gotten cooler here in early spring, and it's not quite as hardy as some of the others. And no, that's not a result of the storm, but we've cut the cable, and we stream everything we watch now. Well, hey guys, I do appreciate you coming by and checking out the garden. And you know, springtime's here, getting ready to plant, mow grass, all that kind of stuff that follows. I know some of y'all are still dealing with snow and ice, so y'all hang tight. Springtime's coming. So as always, I do appreciate you coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.